The Benidorm Enthusiast here with Benidorm Stuff YouTube channel. For today's video we're taking you for a look around inside the Servigroup Pueblo Hotel. The Pueblo is a 3-star family friendly hotel acquired by the Servigroup chain in 2005. It's located right next to the Levante Market Square, 300 metres from Levante Beach, less than 5 minutes to the Strip and about a 20-25 minute walk into the Old Town. So this is the reception area. There's free Wi-Fi throughout the Pueblo Hotel. There's also parking at an additional cost, and if you book 3 nights you'll get free tickets to Benidorm Palace. Book 5 nights and you get picked up from the airport for free. And very important at the moment, any booking will receive a discount code for the IMED hospital for your pre-departure COVID test. This is Amanda from Guest Service. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Lucy.
Tell us a bit about the Pueblo Hotel.
Well, the Pueblo Hotel is one of the largest, it is the largest of the Servigroup chain. We've got 541 rooms and we hold approximately 1,300 guests.
And have you got many people at the moment?
Yes, we have. It's been really good since we opened. All nationalities, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and it's lovely to see the British back again. So lovely.
When did you reopen?
We reopened on the 1st of July and it's just got busier and busier.
Thank you very much for your time, Amanda.
You're welcome, bye.
The Pueblo Hotel is a large complex. It consists of 541 rooms which are spread out across the main tower building and several individual blocks which all surround the pool area and Mediterranean gardens. Around the main pool area there are 2 pools. The larger pool is where all the entertainment and action takes place. Lots of activities going on all day long, and then there's a smaller pool for the kids to enjoy.
The Pueblo prides itself on its entertainment, with a programme both children and adults can enjoy. Lots of family fun to be had with the animation team here, aqua dance or the water slide run, to mention just a couple of the fun activities you can enjoy around the
There's also a 3rd swimming pool here, which is heated and covered, ideal for the cooler months, but there are some enjoying it even in the summer. And this is the kids club and wet play splash pool area for the toddlers. This is Lou from Ipswich. How are you finding the Pueblo Hotel?
Absolutely brilliant. 3rd time I've been here. I can't fault it one bit. Really, I give it 4 stars, 5 even.
Are you with the family?
Yeah, I'm with my son. He should have came last year for his 40th, because you know that got put off, and we're glad we're here this year.
And all the family, plenty going on for them?
Yeah, we've been down to the beach today. We've been by the pool this morning, had fun on that running bit. Yeah, brilliant.
Have you been on the slide?
No, I haven't. I wouldn't dare go on it. I might sink. Children have.
Kids, yeah?
Yeah, the kids have.
Did you complete it?
Yes, they did.
Excellent.
My granddaughter Summer did. Yeah.
Well done.
Brilliant.
Thank you. Enjoy the Pueblo.
Thank you very much. Lovely meeting you.
There's also an outside bar around the pool area, so you can keep yourself refreshed all day long. Beer, soft drink, or maybe even a delicious cocktail.
The main tower has 16 floors. There are 4 lifts. One of those is panoramic with fantastic views out to the sea. That's what we're taking up now to have a look at some of the rooms. Every room has a balcony. aircon or heating to suit the season, TVs with a digital system with 60 TV channels and several music channels, hairdryers, Wi-Fi, free safe deposit boxes, a fridge and intelligent locking systems. The hotel can accommodate around 1,000 people during peak season. There are rooms for a maximum of 3, rooms for a maximum of 4 people, and there are also single occupancy rooms for those of you that travel alone.
We're now over the other side of the Pueblo complex in one of the individual blocks, and we're going to take a look at one of the family rooms.
The family rooms are notably larger, with a double bed, 2 single beds, a cot if requested, and a larger bathroom to accommodate the whole family.
It's a self-service buffet at the Pueblo. Extensive choice of hot and cold dishes, meat, fish, rice, pasta and vegetarian options, and there's also the dessert counter for those homemade treats. There's also the show cooking station where meat and fish is prepared on the grill right in front of your eyes. Every day is a different theme in the restaurant. Today's is Flavours of the Sea. All the food looks great, but as the theme is Flavours of the Sea tonight, I'm going to tuck into some of this delicious seafood. This is the Mediterranean Lounge Bar, where you can come to enjoy an after dinner drink. It's also where they have the entertainment in the winter months, but during the summer it all happens out here around the pool. They have the outdoor stage set up and it's a brilliant atmosphere to enjoy the entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the Hotel Pueblo Benidorm. We're going to start with the show this evening. My name is Rosalinda and I'm going to be here with you for a little while tonight, and I hope you enjoy the music and you can sing along with me, obviously, of course. We can dance soon, hopefully. You can dance in your seats, podéis bailar un poquito ahí en vuestros sitios, así en las... ¡Ay! ¡Vamos, amigos! ¡Vamos arriba, estos amigos! Come on, ladies and gentlemen, see, clap your hands with me. Eso, mis amigos,
They really pride themselves on the entertainment here, being suitable for all the family and also all different nationalities. We're going to sit down and enjoy the rest of the show now, so that's all from us tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel and check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and TikTok at the Benidorm Enthusiast. Stay positive, stay safe.